Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Penguins are social animals and they often huddle together to conserve warmth in cold weather. Quiet people are always talkative to the right people. Your baby might already know your voice before they are even born. A woman from Michigan named Barbie Soper gave birth on 888, 999 and 101010. Mazes have been around for centuries and have been used for both entertainment and problem solving. A new study published in the New England Journal of Medicine suggests that taking a break from hormone therapy to attempt pregnancy after breast cancer appears to be safe for women. Play-Doh was originally marketed as wallpaper cleaner in the 1930s. Scientists have found a way to temporarily open the blood-brain barrier using ultrasound and tiny bubbles, allowing a powerful chemotherapy drug to enter the brain. During hibernation, they slow their metabolism and oxygen consumption down to just 1/50th of the normal rate. This Asian elephant only peels bananas when they are slightly ripe. During the winter months, they change color to blend in with the snowy environment and conserve energy. Teenagers are scientifically less empathetic than adults due to dramatic development in their brains. Teenagers are less likely to use the neural area that is associated with guilt and empathy. During the winter months, their brain cells shrink up to 30% to conserve energy. In 1833, there was a meteor shower so intense that it was possible to see up to 1,000 meteors crossing the sky every hour. European dormouse can hibernate for up to 9 months of the year. Their heart rate drops from 200 to just 20 beats per minute. A ripe banana was installed as an artwork on the wall at the Lim Museum of Art Museum in Seoul, the capital of South Korea. A student who went to visit the museum was so hungry that he ate a banana worth 98 lakhs. Falling in love is easy, but staying in love is a challenge. Letting go is hard and moving on is the hardest. Over 60% of the top 1000 most popular videos on YouTube are blocked in Germany. Captivating footage captures rare fire-breathing peacock in spectacular display. The Adak National Forest in the Aleutian Islands, Alaska, is the smallest national forest in America with only 33 trees. A couple decided to live permanently on cruise ships because doing so was cheaper than paying off their mortgage. Democracy type Democracy Index 2022. In the city of Mackinac Island, Michigan, cars have been banned since 1898. While lost for an entire day on Colorado's highest peak, a man consistently disregarded phone calls from rescue teams because they came from an unknown number. Dying of laughter is an actual cause of death. The last notable case was when a man died of laughter because his pulse hit an estimated 2,500 dpm. Dermatologists in US have detected world's smallest skin cancer measuring 0.65 mm in diameter. Repeatedly, wearing heels can actually wear away your foot's ironing. The higher the heel, the more weight and pressure get shifted forward. Study says extroverts are somehow less intelligent than introverts, but they are more experienced than introverts. The Loch Ness Monster, a creature said to inhabit Loch Ness in Scotland, has been the subject of numerous sightings and investigation, but its existence remains unproven. Turmeric helps to protect against UVA damage, helps depression, helps allergies, lowers cholesterol, benefits brain health. The good friend is not necessarily the one who immediately understands, it's the one who cares enough to keep trying to understand. Japan has popsicles that do not melt in the aftermath of the 2011 earthquake and tsunami. Some experts were trying to salvage strawberry crops that had to yet completely recover. 8. Global brands owned by Indian Land Rover. New York luxury hotel chain Mandarin Oriental Hotels is owned by Mukesh Ambani. Sun Pharma Indian company acquired 100% of Ranbaxy Laboratories. 300 years old Hamleys toy store is now owned by Reliance Industries at 620 crores. In 2023, Ambani partnered with global sandwich shop Pret A Manger. Tata Motors purchased 100% Jaguar in 2008. Global coffee chain Starbucks and Tata have 50-50 joint venture. Indian purchased 60% share of Royal Enfield British in 1999. Thanks for watching.